welcome back to my channel, and in this video we're gonna be installing the red seat covers on my car. I know I already had them on and I had to take them off for a while, but now I finally decided to put them back on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna first wipe them off and then start installing one by one, and I'll show you guys how it's done. Pull this long two pieces from the front all the way to the back, and just kind of like pull all of them. And let's see what's the second one. So the fit is tight, and then what you do is put it through here. This way, put 3 of these in, and then just tuck it in under, and then I'm gonna have to go to the back and pull these out. And I guess that's how you install them. It takes about 2 hours, and if it's your first time, it's probably gonna take you 3. That's how much it took me the first time. This shit is definitely hard, especially in the back. The front seats are fine, but the back is so hard to do. That's all for this video. It was kind of like an idea to just show you guys how I installed them and how much work you have to put in to make them red. And there are other colors as well. There's white, there's black and white. It's like some parts of it is white, but mostly black, and red. So I think it's only 3 of them that they have, and they're pretty good, honestly. They look good, they feel good, and they protect the seats. So So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.